A cleaning system for the home that's as elemental as it gets. Water, electricity, and supercharged oxygen combine in a stormy brew that's downright cataclysmic to germs.
Worth millions. My next guest made his discovery in the kitchen.
The big idea, the Lotus Home Cleaning System. It's a newfangled cleaning solution made from ingredients as old as the earth. The Lotus system infuses ordinary water with super oxygen, also known as ozone. The mixture is deadly to bacteria and makes for an all-natural, chemical-free cleaning product that can be used for household chores or even cleaning food. The Lotus system has topped $5 million in sales in its first year on the market, and Time magazine named it one of the best new inventions of 2006.
Steve Hengsberger, president of Lotus Home Cleaning System. How are you, man?
Great, Donnie. How are you?
Okay, once again, something that you were living your life, and a need of yours was not being met. Boom. The Lotus Cleaning System. Tell me about it.
Yeah, kind of sort of that way. I'm an engineer by background, and one day I decided to invent a better water purifier. And as I was learning more about ozonating, superoxygenating technologies, I started realizing, you know what, there's even a better application for supercharged water, and that's to replace all your household chemicals. You know, I worked in a manufacturing setting, a lot of chemicals around.
Right.
Guys always needing rubber gloves, masks to work with it all. And I have two small children at home, and I'm thinking, we use these same chemicals at home.
Something's wrong with that.
Yeah,
right.
We don't think about it. So, yeah, this started 5 years ago. It took 4 years to develop.
And this is basically, as I understand it, your product, it's 100% chemical-free home cleaning. It eliminates 99.99% of the germs. It's 3,000 times faster and 50% stronger than bleach. More powerful than hydrogen peroxide, yet it's safe enough for a baby and 100% chemical-free. Sounds too good to be true, man.
Yeah, that's exactly it. That's our biggest problem is, you know,
So what is exactly, basically the theory is, okay, I eat some grapes, yeah, I run them under the water, but they're still not clean. I mean, obviously with the whole E. coli scare. Yeah. So how does your stuff really cleanse food in a way that it's not cleansed before?
Yeah, rinsing them under the tap will clean them, but what this product comes with is a common base unit and this fruit and vegetable bowl. You'd fill it with your fruits and vegetables, tap water, place it on the base unit, and in 4 minutes it'll get rid of any bacteria, viruses, and even pesticides from your fruits and vegetables.
So in other words, if I take my grapes under the water, I'm not getting rid of the pesticides.
You're definitely not getting rid of the pesticides.
So the real stuff, all you're doing basically is getting rid of, what are you getting rid of when you do that?
Any dirt.
Any dirt. But
maybe
it's not,
some, sir.
But the thing is, this is really an important thing, guys, and you actually had to go through the EPA and all the people. This is a serious problem. I want everybody to pay attention, because this is not just like a nice little gimmick. We all get frightened, obviously, with our kids especially. Pesticides, this, and things. And this pretty much gives you a clean bill of health on anything you're going to put in your kid's mouth. Is that fair to say?
Exactly. It opens up a whole new world to a lot of people that have chemical sensitivities. A lot of fruits and vegetables they can't eat. Before the whole E. coli scare, really our message was it makes your fruits and vegetables taste better. It actually makes them last 4 times as long. So lettuce that would have turned brown in a few days might be 2 weeks now.
And what exactly happened? Let's say I put a head of lettuce in there, okay?
Yep.
I'm doing it for 2 reasons now. Once again, this is a really, you're going to sell from this show, because this is a really good thing here. So the lettuce will last longer. What exactly happens in this thing?
Well, it would be filled with water as well. We'd turn the on button, and the water just gets constantly circulated down through the base unit here. We take the O2, the oxygen in that water, and we convert it to O3, so a supercharged oxygen. And that is a natural oxidizer. It's what Mother Nature uses to clean our environment. It's what hospitals, commercially, there's multi-million-dollar equipment similar to this being used. We've miniaturized it and
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Got it to a cost point where people can afford to do this.
You got healthy, completely clean food for your family forever, in effect.
Well, exactly.
That's amazing. What else?
I was going to say, you also get this spray bottle.
And if that's not enough. Okay, wait.
And steak knives. No,
right.
Just kidding. So with this, you fill it with tap water. On the same base unit, you'd hit start, and in 2 minutes, it'll charge that water. It'll become more powerful than any chemical cleaner in your home. Never buy another cleaning, deodorizer,
so
mold
is this
and mildew.
also the thing, forget about it for food, if I want to clean my countertops.
And it's just water.
This is amazing. So you're telling me right here, and this is, and actually the EPA says it also, that using this will be actually a better cleaner than bleach, in effect.
It will be more powerful than bleach.
More powerful, and it's just water. and it's basically will clean.
It's altered water, and there's sensors built in.
Guys, if there are any VC guys out right now, I know you're selling about $5 million worth. This year, you're estimating $25 million. You've been Sharper Image to date. You're going to mass it. In fact, you don't need to buy another cleaning product after this.
That's exactly it.
You get the Donnie Deutsch Big Idea of the Month, man. This thing is
you.
because I love products that not only obviously commercial viable, they're doing good for the planet. What a great idea. It can save people money, make their kids safer. Certainly that's not the order of importance. So congratulations, guys. I recommend this. Steve Hensberger, the man who brought you the Lotus Home Cleaning System. It's all in your home tonight. Everything you need to make your American dream come true. It's right at your fingertips in your home. We're showing you how to do it. Maybe under the mattress, maybe in the pillows, maybe in the garage, maybe in the kitchen.